Today, I want to talk about blood pressure. This can be a silent killer. Blood pressure is one of those things that it does not hurt, so we don't ever have it checked. I'm speaking mostly to men here because women do go to their provider for checkups, exams, yearly exams, etc. And while they're there, they have their blood pressure checked. But men, well, we pride ourselves on being healthy and don't need to go to the doctor. When I worked in the ER, I would see a lot of men patients that were there because something hurt. Yes, sad to say, but a lot of us men only go to the ER after something's been hurting and they can't take it any longer. While there, they have some lab work done as well as a good physical exam and a good evaluation with a provider. Many times, it's during these visits that many things are found, such as diabetes, high blood pressure, which is also called hypertension, cholesterol issues, just to name a few. Think of your heart as a pump with your arteries and veins as a water hose. You have miles of water hose in the body. When you add extra weight or fat to the body, then all that fat is supplied with more circulation or more water hose that the pump has to pump blood to. Add to that some high cholesterol that can be plaque or buildup in the vessels of water hose, and now you have a longer hose with a smaller diameter for blood to flow. It would be like standing on the hose, causing less water to flow through. This puts more pressure on the heart to work harder to push that flow through the elongated and smaller diameter hose. This can cause your blood pressure to rise. None of this hurts, so we can be very unaware that it's even going on. Eventually, enough pressure and strain is put on this system that something's going to fail. The heart can give out, the vessels can burst, causing a stroke, or some clotting can happen from congested vessels causing a DVT or deep vein thrombosis, which is a blood clot usually starting in the calf muscle area. This clot can break loose and get lodged somewhere in the system, causing a total blockage. A lot of this can be preventable by just going to the healthcare provider for a checkup and having your blood pressure checked. Many people check their blood pressure at home. Some things to note about that are, you should check your blood pressure 2 times daily and no more. Try to take it at the same time every day for a good average. Take it before any coffee in the morning and once in the evening. Write down your numbers daily for a good average. If it's consistently high, then take the numbers to your provider for an evaluation. There are a lot of factors on the good or bad blood pressure. Age, weight, sex, activity level, foods, or medications taken can all affect your blood pressure. In general, numbers 120 over 80 is a normal blood pressure. 140 over 90 and above is considered to be high. Many things can be done to lower our blood pressure. It's amazing how losing 20 pounds can really lower your blood pressure. Your body is carrying less weight, and also the water hose we discussed is a lot shorter. Both of these factors really help lower blood pressure. One last thing about blood pressure to note. I have seen many people taking blood pressure medicines that stop taking them because, in their words, my blood pressure is fine now. Well, it's fine because of the medication you're taking for it. You should not discontinue a medication such as this without a talk with your provider. There are many things to do, such as lose weight, exercise, eating certain foods, and taking certain supplements that can reduce your blood pressure naturally without having to take medications. The answer is not always to take another medicine. Do your research and visit your provider. One supplement that I have researched and that I take on a daily basis for great blood pressure among other issues is Livegood Super Reds. Organic Super Reds contain the highest amount of fruit and vegetable extracts known to help improve blood flow by increasing our body's production of nitric oxide, boosting blood circulation, supporting brain and cognitive function, sexual health, heart health, immune function, and helping to maximize your body's overall health. I have seen some tremendous benefit in not only my reduced blood pressure, but my overall health. Check it out on the link below the video.